We're counting down the top 10 travel destinations for 2024.
At number 7, we have Joy Falls in St. Thomas. More famous for its controversial alternative name, Joy Battyhole Falls, this hidden gem in Wheelersfield, St. Thomas has multiple cascading waterfalls,
Good for swimming, dives, and a nice little link up among friends.
It's become very popular on TikTok and Instagram, so expect to see both locals and tourists enjoying this spot.
For the full list of travel destinations, check out our YouTube channel, Nature Adventure Jamaica.